The pizza palace offers 3 sizes of cola, small, medium, and large, to go with this pizza. The colas are sold for 80 cents, 90 cents, and $1.20 respectively. 30% of the orders are for small, 50% are for medium, and 20% are for large. This is a discrete probability distribution because the VAT is set 3 separate values, and they can't they have separate outcomes, and it's the distinct probability equaling to 1.
Okay. We've started off by listing our formula for finding the average or the mean, which is mu equals the sum of x times p of x. And we have started by listing off our givens, which is x for 0.8, 0.9, and 1.2, and the p of x, which is 0.3, 0.5, and 0.2. Well, as you can see, equal up to 1. Now, what we did is we times was x times p of x for each of these, which for the first one, we got 0.24. For the second one, we got 0.45. And for the third one, we got 0.24 again. Now, most people would think that they'd be finished at this point, but you have to remember the sigma, the sum of. So we have to add each of these together to get the mean. So we did that, and we got 0.93. So the mu is 0.93. The mean is 0.93. Next, let's figure out the variance. And the formula for the variance is the sum of x minus mu squared times p of x. So we start off by figuring out what x minus mu is. And for the first one, it's negative 0.13. For the second one, negative 0.03. And for the third one, 0.27. What we did there was just did the x, 0.8, minus 0.93. And that's how we got those. And we did that for each of the x factors. Now, what we have to do is square them. And squaring them, we got 0.0169, 0.0009, and 0.0729 for the x minus mu squared. Now, all that we have left to do is this little part. Times it by p of x, which we go back here, and as we can see, the p of x we already have listed. So we just did this times this, which equals 0.0051, and then this times this, which equals 0.0004. And then this times this, which equals 0.0146. Now, to find the variance, we have to add these numbers up, which the variance comes out to be 0.0201. And very simple to come up with. Next, let's take it one step further and get the standard deviation. Standard deviation is very simple to get. All we have to do is take the square root of the variance. So pretty much, we just did the square root of 0.0201. And in doing that, we came up with 0.14, which the standard variation of the formula is 14 cents.
Go ahead, press the red button again.